Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, today we have come with the content of our new video. Today's new content in our video is going to be how to factory reset Windows 11 without logging in. Alright, so let's start the video without delay. First, you will go to your Windows option. After going there, you will find an option called settings. Okay, you have to click on your settings option. After you come, you will be on the home interface. You will find an option called system below. Alright, you will need to click on the system. After reading, if you scroll a little, you will see an option called recovery. You need to click on this recovery option. After that, you will see an option called reset this PC here. Alright, you need to click on reset this PC. Alright, now here you will see an option called review anything. Alright, you need to click on review anything. After that, a page like this will appear in front of you. Here you can choose to do what you wish, like local installer, code or download, depending on where it's available. You can do it on Windows or from this device. I am clicking on local installer. After that, you will see an option called next. You need to click on the next option. After doing it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. So if you click on this reset, your Windows will automatically factory reset. Alright, so friends, if you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.